So here's Locket app, and if you go to your profile in top left, and then you can see Rewind 2023. That is what Locket Rewind 2023 is. That's where you can just watch your year on Locket. If you have enough photos, if you have more than 4 photos during the year, then yeah, you can just try out this button and yeah, just create a short vertical video which will combine all your Locket photos during this year. I've heard that you can also create monthly recaps for Locket, where you can just create a monthly combination, combination of your Locket recaps. So yeah, that's what you can try to do. And yeah, you just probably need to update the app to get this button. And again, you need to have more than 4 photos sent during the year. I wasn't using Locket app a lot, but if you were, you should probably see this button right now. Also, you don't need to be Locket Gold subscriber to see this Locket Rewind. And then when you created this video, you can just share it with your friends on Snapchat, TikTok. So give it a try.